So I'm Lindsay Brown, Manager of Bogunda Station, where we run a predominantly drought master breeder herd, which we crossbreed, aiming to sell cattle into the southern feedlot market. Gallagher and Black Box really work hand in hand. In the beginning, it was very much two different companies and two different systems. Now that they've done the integration, it's made it a lot simpler and easier. It's been very beneficial for us as a producer. The benefits of data collection are endless. The real benefit of the system that we've set up is just having another tool to make our decisions in the decision making. We can be in the yards processing a mob of weaners in the morning, and then over lunch I've uploaded it, and as a team we can sit down and look at that data straight away. I think a lot of people would be surprised with the results when they start to see the actual data they're collecting and compare that to what the parameters they've been basing their decisions off in the past. For instance, we found that our PDIC cows to weaning was really good, but where we probably weren't doing as well as we initially thought was our wet rebreed, and the data sort of explained that and showed that in real time. Some of the tools that we found very helpful on the Black Box system is the forward forecasting of weights, so you know the spread of your weights. It's the questions that your agent asks you, and then you quickly and ah and try and give them an answer over the phone, whereas you open Black Box and it's there, so you just tell them. One of the other great features would be the herd inventory. You know, come June each year and your bank manager asks for your herd inventory, it's easy as ever just to open up Black Box. It's listed out there. Click of a button, you can email it off to your bank manager. It's not just collecting data with Gallagher and uploading to Black Box. After you've analysed that data, you have that ability to transfer it from Black Box back onto your TWR5 and take back to the yard. Using the Black Box system, I was able to select any cull for age cows we wanted. I created a list, and then when they came through the yard next time, instead of having to read those old brands, it just automatically came up with an alert, and we're able to pull them off during the mustering round a lot easier. I've found the support from both Gallagher and Black Box to be really good. Particularly Black Box is something they're very good at, is the customer support, which is something that Gallagher is also doing. They've brought in their automatic updates for the TWR5. It's a big investment buying the TWR5 initially, but to see that they're doing continual updates, that's always improving, it's good to see and very reassuring. This is definitely the future. I'd recommend these products to anyone that's looking to collect data on their beef business. Gallagher and Black Box is the perfect combination.